Go ahead. So this is our room. You want me to do this?
You see a hidden.
This is a water view room, as you'll see when we get to the balcony.
Okay, guys, let's go in the room. Come on.
You see? I want to do the fridge pop, but the fridge pop. You see a hidden. You see a hidden the fridge. Come on, don't open the fridge.
So there's our refrigerator. You have a 2-cup coffee maker. You get some nice glasses. You have a little extra storage here. And you have a hidden refrigerator. It's just a
Do not open.
it's a nice dorm size refrigerator.
Do not open something.
And it has my son's ice pack because he got hurt. And then there's storage for bottles and all kinds of good things. You walk in a little further and then you'll have the bathroom. It's a very nice bathroom, double sinks, with a separate area for the shower and the toilet. So there's plenty of room for everybody to get ready. And this is actually a nice little hiding place to store the crib if you need a crib, to keep the baby out of everybody else's view. You have a nice big closet with, I don't know, maybe about 10 hangers. There's some on the other side, extra pillows and blankets, and a luggage rack, and a nice safe. You can fit all your valuables in there.
Should I lock the safe and open it?
I'm gonna come back later after I get my luggage. I'm waiting on Magical Express to deliver it, and I'll show you some hacks to make some more storage room for your hotel. So you can fit
We got
everything.
these 13 hangers.
Oh, Mickey got destroyed. So there's a nice little Mickey on the bed. No, Krista, no hardwood rug, but it's actually nice and clean. I can smell the clean. I had a nice deep clean. We have allergies, so they deep cleaned it for us, and they did a great job.
Don't touch it. Why? You just move it.
I love the theming here. It's very nice. Yes, Hidden Mickey.
Well,
You have a nice. They have the TV playing when you walk in, which is a nice touch. Tell you what's going on in the parks. Great little desk area. This room doesn't have extra seating. There's a desk, and then there's like a little slide out table under the desk. Watch out, Gigi.
Stretch out.
There's a little table under the desk. This room doesn't have the extra pull-out pouch or anything like that. Because we are technically a family of 4, not a family of 5, because the little one doesn't count yet, apparently, in Disney terms. And then we have our full balcony. It is pouring outside, so we got in just in time. But look at our view. Look how awesome that is. We actually got really lucky that we got a full balcony so we can sit out there later and have our drinks when the kids are napping, if they go to bed maybe tonight. Down from us is our friend. You know who I'm talking about. We came here and saw a scooter in the hallway, and out pops our friend and her kids. So we're really lucky. But that's it for now. We'll check back in later. We're going to take a look at the pool and some of the other great features of this resort. So thanks for checking in with us. Bye.
bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye. I'm watching the other people's TV.
Finish.